Alright, got the hood or engine shroud, pump shroud put back on. Got the control arms on it. Everything's bolted down tight. I got the hardware changed out. We are wired now for the ignition switch. Everything's all put in. These wires here are for the ammeter, oil pressure, and coolant. I just pre-wired them. I don't have the gauges right now. The starter and stuff's all wired into it, tied into position. Bulkhead is installed, obviously. And, this side's all dressed up. Oil pressure and coolant. This here goes to the safety for the ignition coils, which it's the ground out switch, and the fuel solenoid shut off is wired. This goes to the alternator when I get the alternator, and this goes to the fuel solenoid over here. When I finally figure out where that goes, I'll cut and turn this to length, and the ground is the ground. The old girl's looking pretty good. Found a couple other things. Let me pause it real quick. The bushing in this piece right here is wore out totally. I gotta fix that. Then on the other side, I've only finished the wiring routing up to here, halfway, because I want to get my gauges and stuff in before I get all this tied in tight. This lever arm right here is, you don't want to spring back to neutral or anything. It's hard to show, but it's that spring right in there, I think, is broke. There's no hardly spring back, so I have to fix that. But hood latch, everything, all that works. The old girl's coming along pretty good. It latches and everything else. Anywho, fuel system's next. I'm going to find out where I'm putting it at. We're rolling right along, and then I'm going to pull the front floorboard back off. It's just sitting on there anyway, and get the aux line system figured out. That's it. To be continued.